How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can make a 2D floor plan in FreeCAD. Of course, this is a really complicated topic, but I'll show you the stepping stone in order for you to do this. First things first, head over to Sketcher, and then you want to click on this specific button that will actually allow us to start sketching. Now, I suggest choosing the XY plane. This is basically the top view of the plane itself, which will look something like this. And of course, the first thing is going to be the room itself. Now, if you want to adjust the length of this individually, you can just click on this drop down menu, and then you can constrain the horizontal distance, the vertical distance, and more. So let's do something like horizontal distance right here. Let's click on this one, and maybe let's do something like 100 millimeters. Click on OK, and then it will actually constrain it that way. Now, of course, you want to adjust this according to your floor plan. Let's do another one with this one. And basically, let's choose something like 100 millimeters. Now that we have that apply, let's do something like other rooms right here. So once again, you could just draw something like this one. And then, of course, you could apply the same technique, which is to just constrain them on here. Now you can now add your furniture. Maybe you want to add something like a table. You could place it on the corner like maybe this one. And now basically you want to do the same thing, which is to constrain this by clicking on the constraint radius. And then let's turn this into something like 4.5 millimeters. Click on OK, and there we have it. So you could just keep applying these tools that we have onto our sketch. Maybe you want to apply something like the arc center. You could just do that right here. And so that's basically how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.